Hello there. How are you doing today? Uh, I'm back again with another new video. This is another cool video about the funnel making. Today I'm going to teach you how you can make a beautiful funnel like the affiliate funnel or the course funnel or the blog funnel. Whatever you wish, you can make a very good funnel with this funnel making software. This is one of the most easiest software and the best software ever uh, right now on the internet. Today I'm going to teach you how you can make a beautiful funnel, the affiliate funnel with this software. So let's get started. First of all, you have to, I have shared the link in my description of this video. Check out the description link and click the link. Um, so you will come to this page, submit your email address here. You can use this software for free. If you click my link, then you can use the software for free for a limited time. So you have to submit your email address here. I'm going to submit my email address from here. It is okay, and click the get started for free, and they will send you an confirmation email. You have to log into your email, and I have to log into your email, and I have to click the confirmation link to confirm the account. I'm logged into my email, and here is it. Here it is. I can see the email. I am just copying the link and pasting the link in my browser. So the email will be verified. Now it is verified. Now you have to enter a password to log into email for your account security. Okay, and just select you are not a robot. Now I'm going to vehicle, traffic lights. All these are the traffic lights, vehicles. Verify, yes, it is verified. Now click the save button and you will be redirected to your account. Oh, so easy. It is the dashboard. So you can make beautiful funnels. If you want to promote the Clickbank offers, or if you want to promote the Max Bounty offer, or any kind of CPO or affiliate offers, you can make beautiful funnels with this software. Now just go to the funnels, and here you can see that you have no funnels right now because this is a brand new account. If you want to create a new funnel or the landing page, click the create button and name your funnel or the landing page. I'm going to name it I'm going to the Clickbank. Clickbank is one of the best and biggest affiliate networks on the internet. You can find a lot of good offers to promote and make money online. Here I came to the Clickbank marketplace. Here I'm going to the top offers from the Clickbanks. Clickbank is going to show the top offers to me. Yes, this is the Exipure. Exipure is the top offers right now. Jabberburn, T-Burn, Glucotrust. There are a lot of offers you can see. So I'm going to uh, Home and Garden, and from the Home and Garden category, Clickbank is showing all the good offers. Here you can chairs, woodworking, my shed planes, brain training for dogs. I'm going to select this one, and I'm opening the page. Click the link, and here is the page. So based on the on this offer, I'm going to make a short squeeze page or the lead capture page. So brain training for dogs. Now build an audience. Click this option. They're asking about if you are going to sell the product, or you are going to make a custom funnel or run an evergreen. I'm going to build an email list by collecting the emails of our targeted customer. That's why I selected this one, build an audience, collect emails, address, and build your email list. Click the create button, and boom, you have completed your first step. Now you have to select a template. I'm going to select one of the templates from this list. For now, I'm going to select a very simple one. Okay, I'm going to select this one. Let's click the preview button so I can see the preview. Yes, good one. And select button. Boom. Your page is selected. You have installed a template for your squeeze page. Now you have to install a thank you page for the uh, you have to install a template for the thank you page. So I'm going to install a basic one. Yes, this one is good. Select and boom, you are done. So now go to the squeeze page and this is the editor. If you want to see the page, click this view funnel step. This is your funnel step. Now we have to edit this page. If you want to change the name, I can name it lead capture page. And if you want to change the path of this domain, I'm naming this path as uh, lead and save. Boom. And this is the thank you page. I'm going to delete this and ty, that means thank you or thank you, and boom. Okay, you can uh, save, and now it is okay. You can display, you can give any space in the path. So now I'm going to open this page uh, in the editor of this software. Click the edit page, and here's the editor of this software. Now if you want to change this image, just click on this image and remove this one. Now I'm going to add an uh, image related to the offer. I'm going to promote the dog related offer, dog related image. So this one is good. I'm making this funnel for learning purpose, for teaching purpose, and I uploaded the image. Select this one, insert. The image is not actually good, so I'm going to download another image from the Google dog, where you can see a lot of dogs are here. Let me select an adorable dog picture. Dog. Okay, now upload the image again. Upload select files, and here it is. It will be uploaded right now, and boom, insert. Okay, so I have added the image, and now if I want to edit those headlines, just click on these headlines and you can see you can edit the page. If I want to remove all these things, now yes, it is gone. If I want to write something, if I want to write eliminate bad behavior of your dog, with this simple with this simple training, uh, with this simple game. Okay, now if I want to change the color, just click here, and here you have to select all the text, and now click the color button if I want to change bad behavior of your dog with this game, with this simple game, this simple game. Okay, and go. Yes, now you can see it is a good lead capture page. Enter your email address, name and email address, email to access all the resources for free. uh, Enter your name and email to go to the next step. to go to the next step. Okay. Here is the form. You can see this is the first name input form. This is the email input form. And when someone click the download button where they will be redirected, I want to send them to the thank you page. So as it is a form, I'm selecting this the send form, and when someone click this button, the form will be submitted and they will go to the next step. That means they will be redirected to the thank you page. Okay. If you want to bring something, if you want to add an extra image or a video, you just drag and drop here. You can see this is the video option. If I want to delete, here it is, I can delete. If I want to add an image, just drag and drop. You can see, you can add an uh, image. If you want to add a headline or add a text, here it is. Can you see? Here is the text. Yes, here is the bullet list. So I think you know how to use this software. I'm going to delete all this thing for now. Yes, all are deleted. Cool. Okay, that's great. If I want, I can delete this row also, but I'm not going to delete this row for now. To keep the distance between this footer and this main part of this website, here are a lot of options you can use. If you want to uh, add a new button, just drag and drop. You can see this is the button. If I want to change the text of this button, just click this button and go to the bottom of this page. Click to train your dog. Click to train your dog. Okay, it is okay. If I want to change the color of this button, click this button and you can see here is the color. Now you can change as you want. So I hope you get the point. I'll make more in-depth video with this software. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to get this kind of more videos. I will also make videos how you can make this kind of pages, and also how you can promote this kind of affiliate offers with Facebook ads, with Google ads. Now this is your thank you page. I'm going to edit this page. Hey, thank you for subscribing. I'm not going to change anything for now. I'm just deleting all these options here. Okay, all are deleted. Now I'm going to bring up the button here. Yes. Brain training for dog. I'm going to add an subtext here. Train your dog now. Train your dog now. So when people click this button, they will be redirected to the my affiliate link. If you want to redirect them to your affiliate link, then you have to click this promote button, brain training for dogs. If you have a Clickbank account, you have to put your username, Clickbank username here. So I'm going to put pro uni and create hop link. Now here is your affiliate link. Now use this link in this input option. Here is the URL. So you have to put your affiliate link here. Now it is done. I'm going to save, and boom, a funnel is ready. If I go to the page, you can see eliminate bad behavior of your dog with this simple game. Enter your name, and I'm going to use my name and email. Now click this button, click to train your dog. I'm going to click, and here is the thank you page. When I click this train your uh, brain training for your dog, I'm going to click this button, and boom, I'll be redirected to this page. That means this is my affiliate link. and when someone buy this product, I will get commissions. This is the system. And if I go to the dashboard of the systeme.io, you can see I already get one leads. So if you want to check the email, you can see here is the email of your customers, of your leads. So you can send automatic emails from the systeme.io. I will make another video on this system, how you can send automatic emails to your customers, and how you can make more advanced funnels with the software. But feel free to subscribe to my channel to get latest video updates in my channel. So thank you for now, and goodbye.